Hello everyone, my today's video is about how to improve writing skills in kids. So let me first talk about the adults. As an adult also we used to write, like for organize our information. We have to some kind of notepad where we can note it down so that we can remember it. We also whenever we visit a doctor or some places where we need to fill a form, so in those places also we used to write. So writing is very important for everyone. However, we are living in a digital world where everybody is using laptop, mobile phones, and they are typing on a laptop or mobile phones. But for kids, it's very important to write. We all know that as a kids, when they will be like 2 or 3 years, then they used to scribble. But when they will grow up, then they have to learn typing as well as they have to write short notes, they have to write essay. So our whole education is about writing. After completing the education, they will prefer to use a laptop or mobiles after learning the basic writing skills. So writing skills in kids is called the fine motor skills. Fine motor skills or pencil grips help the children to write. So let me first tell you about what is fine motor skills. You have maybe have heard this fine motor skills many times, but what is this fine motor skills? So let me read the definition of fine motor skills. Fine motor skills involves the use of small muscles and the muscles of the finger, wrist and hand. So as the definition says that using the small muscles of finger, wrist and hand. So the coordination of these muscles and using of these muscles involves the fine motor skills, or we can say the pencil grip, the writing skills. So these skills can be developed by many activities. The children can play with pebbles, they can play with blocks, they can color on the paper. So these are the methods by which, there are millions of activities through which fine motor skills can be improved. Fine motor skills not just only involve the muscles of the wrist, hand and fingers, but also it needs the coordination, eye-hand coordination. There has to be visual coordination with the muscles of the hand. The child cannot write without coordinating his his sight, his visual effect, his sight with his muscles of the hands and wrist. So both the muscles of the hand and the muscles of the eyes both coordinate with each other in improving the writing skills in kids. So let's see some ways through which we can improve the writing. So the first important point that I would like to discuss in improving fine motor skills is that have a board like this at your home and just fix it on a wall. So what happens when you do like this? See, I have another boards also, whiteboard, but these kind of boards used to lie down here and there at home or maybe on shelf. But if you have a fixed board in your house, then what the children does, they used to come and scribble and they write, and this is the way they will be engaged in some kind of activities and which will involve in improving their fine motor skills. For example, if I am playing with my child, so what I can do, I will just draw one line and I will tell my child to draw another line. So this is the way we can just play that let's draw a line and let's count it. So it's not involving the fine motor skills, but also counting. Their pre-numbered concepts are also improving. So this is the way, this is one of the most important things that you can do at your home to improve fine motor skills. Another thing we can do with our child is we We can give them some kind of coloring book. We can give our child some kind of coloring book in which they can draw, and we can make a journal of them. For example, this is my son's notebook, and he just drew some drawing. You can see that he had drawn a boy and a girl on his friendship day. So these kind of activities, if they will do continuously at home, that it ultimately going to improve their fine motor skills. So have lots of notebooks, rough notebooks at your homes, and have plenty of pencil, colors and markers, so that children will find the opportunities to write again and again. So what else we can do is we have to encourage our child to narrate whatever they are writing. For example, my child is making some kind of drawing in which he is making something house-like structure, or some river or something like that. So I will ask my child, I will encourage my child that what are you making? Have you seen it somewhere? So what he will do, he will explain those things to you. So this also give him opportunities to explain the things that will ultimately improve his language skills. So these are the opportunities. So always be with your child during writing. So if you respond to your child during the writing, then only he will be encouraged to write it again. Other activities that can be done with the child to improve fine motor skills are that be a role model for your child. For example, if I have go for a shopping, so what I'll do, I have to make a list of those things. So what we used to do, we make the list on the phone, or we make the list on some kind of notebook, notepad. So beside doing that, just make it on the whiteboard. Let me make on the whiteboard. So for example, if I am writing here that I have to buy sugar, and so child must ask me that what you are making. So I will just tell him that I am making the grocery list. So he will also come and he will also involve, okay, mama is writing sugar, mama is writing oil, mama is writing some kind of stuff on the board. So this is the way children will be also motivated to write. So be a role model. So if you write, then ultimately your child will be encouraged, motivated to write again and again, and this is the way the writing skills will be improved, your fine motor skills will be improved. Most important thing is we have to praise our child for his writing, for his work. If we praise him, whatever he is writing, maybe it's not correct, maybe there is no meaning of his writing, but praising always helps the child to do that thing again and again. So for example, if he is spending some time on the board in scribbling or making some kind of pattern or making some kind of drawing, so we have to praise the child, and this is the way he will be always motivated to write it again and again. And the last and the most important thing is provide him ample of opportunities to improve his fine motor skills. That is coordination of muscles of hands, wrists and fingers. So this can be improved by any activities like fixing the blocks, coloring. I must have shown you in the audio section of the video. So there are ample of activities. Playing with the clay also improve the fine motor skills. So there are so many activities which improve the fine motor skills, and you can also sit with your child for some times in a day and ask him to draw something, and both of you can together narrate those things into a beautiful story. So this is the way, these are the some ways by which we can improve the child's fine motor skills. And the last and the most important thing is practice, practice, practice. That we all know that practice makes a man perfect. So same things applies here. We need to provide lots of coloring opportunities, lots of writing opportunities to child to improve their fine motor skills. So this is all about today.